Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create different graphic liner looks. If you're looking to start wearing colored eyeliners or create graphic eyeliner looks, stick around for this tutorial. For the tutorial, I'll be using the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner, and I will be using this yellow shade. One thing to note is that this NYX liners do have a water formulation, so they are prone to crack. So if you apply your eyeliner and realize that it cracks, that's why. You just have to keep reapplying over those areas that crack. Just moved forward, we will be creating a traditional winged liner for the first look. I like to start with a wing on each eye. When you pick up product, you do not want to pick up too much. You want to pick up just enough to create the base of that liner, and then you can always build up with more product as you go. So I start off in the corner of my eye like this. Or something like that. And then I go over this side and then I do the same thing. Starting off with wings on both eyes just helps me determine the length that I want to use and also the depth of the liner that we're going to create. Now that we have the wings drawn on, I go in and fill the rest of the eye by starting on the eyelash line. I start like that, and then don't worry if you get product on your lashes. You can just always go over the lashes with mascara. Now that I do have that line over my lash line, I'm just going to go ahead and just fill it in so I can get more volume and depth. Once you get to the corner of the eye, you want to make sure that your brush does not have a lot of product, because you do not want to have too much product sitting here, because it's easy to mess up the line that you already drew, the wing that you already drew. Now that we have this eye ready to go, we're going to go ahead and finish off this eye as well. So to get rid of any excess product that goes over your liner, you can use a wet Q-tip like I'm going to do, and just clean up any areas that have product that you do want. I'm going to go in with mascara so I can fix my lashes, especially in those areas that have the yellow product. This is the first look. Depending on your preference, sometimes I like to put on natural looking lashes. I like to use the Ardell 147 lashes. They have a natural look to them. So sometimes I like to wear these lashes, and sometimes I prefer to just wear my natural lashes as I'm doing right now. For the second look, we're going to create a double floating cut crease. First thing you want to do is to determine where your eye crease is. First thing that you could do is to look down. So if you go down like this, you can see where the eye creates that natural indentation. Also, you can look up like this, and you can see where the eye naturally creases. I don't know if you can see the two lines that my natural crease creates. Those are the lines that we're going to be using as a guide to create the double cut crease. I pick up a little bit of product from the bottle, and then I'm going to start right here in the center, and then just sweep the wing midway to here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start right here. One thing about these eyeliners is that they can get a little bit messy, so it's okay to go back and clean out anything that's not working for you and draw that line back in. It's fine. It's fine if you clean it out. You're not gonna get it perfect in the first round, so that's okay. Just clean it out and then just go back in. And I like to use a Q-tip when I'm doing that because it's more precise and it helps me get in those corners. So just clean that out and just go back in. You can see that it's not as precise as I wanted it to be, but that's fine. If you're one of those people that are very particular and you want your wings to look a certain way, you can go back in and just make it as precise as possible. One thing that I can tell you guys is that once you pick up product from the brush, try to tilt it to the side. That way you're using the side of the brush. It's more defined and it helps you create a more fine line versus just using it this way. So just tilt it to the side and then use that to create a more precise line. I tried to get them looking identical as possible, but of course, as you can see, it's not that easy. But as long as you get to have them look symmetrical, you know, and look even, then you should be good to go. So I just went ahead and put on lashes so you guys can see how the overall look looks with falsies. And this is exactly how it looks. Lashes add a little bit of drama, but as you can also see, they are more on the natural looking side, which I prefer when I wear graphic eyeliner looks. The last look we're going to create is a semi lower lash liner. Start off by creating a wing by the corner of the lower lash line. So I'm going to start off with a little bit of product on the brush and then just start in this corner right here and then bring it down. Finish this off, I'm going to create the same line, but this is going to start from the tear duct and then just go right into the lower lash line, but not all the way. So just like so. Like that, and then same thing here. Go into the lower lashes with mascara just to clean those areas that got some of that yellow product. Right here. And this is it for the final look. I like how it looks like an arrow that goes across your eye. It's pretty cool. Just a very simple and neat makeup look that you can create anytime when you feel like you don't want to wear eyeshadow. These graphic eyeliners really do come in handy when you just feel like, you know, you're lazy and you just don't want to wake up and do makeup. So let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to drop some comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.